good morning to you all children. Let us continue with the topic digestive system. Last class we had just an introduction that digestion is a process of breaking down complex organic compounds into simpler form. That complex organic compounds are in the form of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals that are broken down into simpler usable forms. Got it? With the help of enzymes. We had also discussed that digestion includes 4 phases, that is ingestion, then we have got digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. 5 steps. Again I repeat, ingestion, putting the food into the mouth, then you have the digestion, how the different nutrients are being digested, and then absorption, 4th part assimilation, how it is utilized in our body cells, and lastly egestion. Clear? Now when we had talked about the digestive system, what we had discussed that it consists of different organs that work in coordination for their main purpose, that is to break down complex organic compound into simpler forms. Now let us discuss about the various organs. Now when we talk about the organs, the first part is the mouth. Got it? Now when we talk about the mouth, it is also known as buccal cavity or oral cavity. Clear? Now when we talk about the buccal cavity or the oral cavity, it is bounded by externally by upper and lower lips, upper lip and lower lip. Clear? Now when we talk about the buccal cavity or the oral cavity, what does it consist of? Inside you find that it consists of the tongue and teeth. Let us come one by one. Now what is the role of tongue in the digestion process? Though it is an accessory organ means they do not take directly in the process of digestion, but yet it is very important. So when we talk about the tongue, it is a muscular organ. Clear? It is a muscular organ. Now what role does it perform? It performs important role. What are those? It helps in mixing of the food. The food that we eat, that is mixed with the help of saliva in the mouth. Clear? Now when we talk about the role means function. Clear? So one function is what? It helps in the mixing of food. The food which is crushed, grinded, it is mixed at the help of saliva by the tongue. Next important role, what is that? It helps to know the taste of the food. Now there are 3 or 4 types of taste. What are those? That is sweet, sour, bitter and salty. So tongue also is a sense organ. It also helps us to know the different taste of the food. Clear? Now come to the next. These are its 2 main functions. Now when we talk about another part which is found in the mouth, that is teeth. Since we are talking about the human beings, you find that the teeth, where they are embedded? They are embedded in the sockets of the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Clear? Now when we talk about the human being, the teeth is referred as heterodont. Heterodont dentation. Dentation means the type of teeth found. Clear? There are 2 types, heterodont and homodont. Homodont means same type of teeth. these are found in lizard. Whereas heterodont you find in the human beings. Lizard. Now, when we frog also, they come under homodont. Heterodont, why they are called as heterodont? Because they have different types of teeth. So in human beings, the dentation is said to be heterodont dentation. Suppose you are asked, what do you mean by heterodont dentation? It means there are different types of teeth present in the human. What are those? Those are incisor. Then we have canine. We have premolars and molars. These are the different types of teeth found in the human. That's why the dentation is called as heterodentation. Now, there is another name also given. Sometimes you may be asked the difference between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Got it? That is called as deciduous. What do we mean by deciduous teeth? That is the set of teeth. They appear twice in the lifetime of the human. Clear? Accordingly, they are called as temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. Other name, milk teeth. And the other is referred as permanent teeth. Got it? Now, in the human being, the temporary teeth or the milk teeth, they start appearing from 6 months to 7 months, and by the time the child is 2 years, the whole dentation of the temporary teeth or the milk teeth set, as we say, appears. Clear? Now, when we talk when the teeth start falling, that is, it starts from the age of around 6 years. Got it? They start appearing from 6 to 7 years and continues up till 22 years. Clear? That means what? What I said, milk teeth starts appearing from 6 months onwards on an average, and by the time the child is 2 years, that whole 20 teeth, they are found, that dentation is complete in a child. Now, as the child is about 6 to 7 years, the teeth starts falling. It can be a little bit earlier than that or later, but it is usually around 6 to 7 years. So once the teeth starts falling, it is replaced by permanent teeth. That does not disappear only when the person dies, or maybe during an old age due to some circumstances, weak, then in that case the teeth falls. Otherwise it is not so. Clear? Now when we talk about that is why human dentation is also referred as deciduous dentation. And let us come to the different types of teeth that you have to remember. Now, when you talk about the dental formula of a child, how will you write? 2, 1, 0, 2. 20. That means this is incisors, canine, premolar do not develop at the young stage, later on it develops, and molars. Clear? Now, when we talk about the dental formula of an adult, how we have got 32 teeth. So, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and then 3 by 3. Then you have 32 teeth. Clear? So, I symbolizes incisors. C for canine, PM for premolars and M for molars. Now let me first talk about incisors. This type of teeth are usually present at the front. That is, the front 4 teeth in the upper jaw and the lower jaw are called as incisors. They are used for biting or cutting the food. Got it? Then we have got canine. Canine, they are pointed, dagger shape. Pointed. Got it? These incisors are broad. So the first 4 teeth in the front, in the upper and the lower jaw are called as incisors, used for biting or cutting the food. Canine are pointed just beside the incisors, one on each jaw, that is 4 in number. They are used for tearing the food, that is the flesh. Then you have premolars and molars. These have got cups. Premolars and molars. These are used for crushing and grinding the food. So, grinding the food. You may be asked the different types, 4 types and its function. So, premolars and molars, they are provided with cups. You find this type of structure mainly. And this is the 3rd type. Got it? Usually in the premolars you will find this, and one more you will get in this region, that is the molars. So that is all. Stay home, be safe. If you have any queries, you can write to me.